Now see. Now did you see the screen?
Yeah.
Suppose this is your hand and this is the thread, and here you put stone.
Yes.
Now you rotate this stone by your hand in circular way. So what will happen? Earlier, right now it is in this position, then it will change its position and ultimately it will make the circle.
Yes.
What is its next? Now I will ask you two things. We cannot, what is the velocity of stone? You cannot find it.
Yeah, you can't find it because
Because
it's always
it is
changing.
not, it is not linear.
Yeah.
It is circular. So that's why we have angular velocity omega.
Yes.
So you may ask that any relationship between what is its linear velocity? So I can v equal to r omega.
Yes.
So what is v? Linear velocity. If this stone is supposed to go linear, it should be r into omega. Now again, question is what is omega? So omega is angular velocity.
Yes.
Angularly, how it displayed. So how can we define the angular velocity? Suppose we will stop at this point for we will take the picture of it. So this is position. So when we rotate from here to here, this angle is theta.
Yes.
So how much it displays? It displays by theta.
Yes.
Now see, if I write, that's why I will give you the comparison. With respect to velocity, it is easy to understand. Now we will compare both the things. Velocity equal to dr by dt, or we can also write displacement by time. Omega is written as d theta by dt. What is omega?
Angular.
Angular velocity. What is r? Suppose if I say, actually in our physics in 12th standard you learn in 12th grade, this is ds by dt. So what is ds?
Yes.
Suppose this is the box is putting on the stand here, it will displace s distance.
Yes.
So in s distance, so suppose how much distance change in distance is ds, how much time it will take? Delta t. So box is moved
Yes.
from here to here, so ds by dt, it will give you the velocity. But
Yes.
this box is moving linearly. What if we will throw the box in circular way? So we
Mm-hmm.
cannot find the angular velocity. We have to find out how much angle that velocity is changed. So for
Yes.
that, here it is displacement is s, but here this displacement is theta, angular
Yeah.
displacement. So s
Yes.
is displaced by the theta. So omega equal to d theta by dt.
Ah, yeah, I understand.
Here displacement is s. So that's why when we do the very good things that you have asked, when we do the comparison part, two things we have.
Yeah.
One is linear equation, angular equation.
Yes.
So suppose you will ask me the displacement. So in linear, displacement is indicated by s or r, and in this case angular displacement is indicated by theta. If this box is move up to this point linearly, but by angle it will move at some angle. So theta is
Yeah.
displacement and here s is displacement. If you
Yeah.
will ask me for velocity, so linear velocity, you will take in the two words together. Linear velocity is indicated by dv. What is v? What is v? V is ds by
ds
dt.
over tt, and the other one will be omega.
Angular velocity.
Yeah, angular velocity. D theta
Here it
over
is
dt.
acceleration.
Yeah.
Why only c is present? Acceleration. Now for this acceleration, linear acceleration, capital A. Can you help me? What should I write?
That would be
Change in
differentiate
velocity.
over change in time. dv over dt.
What we can write? Angular acceleration alpha.
Yeah, that would be
E. What should
differentiation
I write?
in So D of D
Here d of
D.
v,
Yeah, the other one is, sorry, I can't remember the word.
omega.
Omega. Ah, why am I always forgetting? Let me write it down.
Omega. No worry, no worry. It's
Yeah,
happening.
omega. Yeah, omega divided by T. Yeah, you've written it. Yeah, nice.
So one is angular acceleration, alpha. Alpha is known as, again, very good things I will tell you. What is the unit? Unit right now in a vector we are not bothering about unit, but unit of s is meter, distance,
Yeah,
time is in seconds. So this
meter
unit
per
of
second,
velocity, acceleration, meter per
second square. For acceleration
very
in meter
good.
per second square. So sorry, for omega, is it going to be rad per second? So like rad,
Very
like,
good.
is it okay? Right, yeah, rad per second. So the other one will be rad per second square. Yeah.
Yes. Got this point.
Yeah.
So this is about the things. So